Welcome, friends. Today we are starting with Class 9 Geography, Chapter 1, India Size and Location, Part 4. In the previous video, we have seen about India's size and location, its standard meridian, right? In this, we are going to see India and the world. Many a times the question comes like justify the naming of Indian Ocean after India or why Indian Ocean has got the name after India and why no other ocean has been given any country's name. Does this question come in your mind? Let us see the basic position. This is Asia. And where is India? It is here in the south. That's why it is called South Asian country. It has got central location between East and West Asia and that connects the trans-Indian Ocean routes with countries of Europe in the west and countries of East Asia in the east. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes into Indian Ocean, providing long coastline in this region. This helps to establish close relation with West Asia, Africa, Europe and East Asia. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has. And indeed, it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. India's relationship with world continued through the ages, but her relationship through land routes are much older than her maritime, that is ocean. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passage to the ancient travelers, while the oceans restricted such interaction for a long time because people didn't know how to travel through the oceans. Now, what is the significance of these routes, that is, land routes and ocean routes? These have contributed in exchange of ideas and commodities. Now, how does this happen? When people go from one place to another, they carry along with them their things, their commodities, their ideas, and when they meet the other people, these ideas are being shared. They take some ideas from the other people, they give their ideas, they exchange their books, they exchange their culture, and that is how the relationships are built. The ideas of Upanishads and the Ramayana, the stories of Panchatantra, the Indian numerals, and the decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The spices, muslin, and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, the influence of Greek sculpture and the architectural style of dome and minarets from West Asia can be seen in different parts of our country. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consists of two island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep island. India has had strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. What is strait? It is a narrow piece of sea that joins two larger seas. Park Strait is a strait between the Tamil Nadu state of India and Mannar district of northern province of island nation of Sri Lanka. It connects the Bay of Bengal in the northeast with Park Bay in the southwest. What is Gulf? It is a part of sea that is almost surrounded by land Gulf of Mannar is a large shallow bay forming part of Lakshadweep Sea in the Indian Ocean. It lies between the southeastern tip of India and the west coast of Sri Lanka in the Coromandel Coast region. With this, we finished with chapter 1, India size and location of class 9.